Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this full HD 1920 by 1080 HP M32fw FHD monitor. Alright, so today we have received our HP monitor. This one is a full HD. The model number is M32fw. So this has a 31.5 inch diagonal full HD monitor, which feels as good as it looks. You could play, work, or simply store it into a sharp, crisp world. So this one right here tells you it is a 31.5 inch. The display is ready to connect for sharp full HD visual and VGA, as well as HDMI 1.4. So this is a 1920 by 1080 full HD. It's got a 3 micro edge bezel. So it has 2 HDMI ports. It has a VGA port. So inside the box you do get some accessories. So this one does come with an HDMI cable. I know a lot of them that don't. This one actually does. And then you get the power cord. This monitor packs an AMD FreeSync technology with a 75 Hz refresh rate to keep your eyes up to speed with your imagination. So this does have a 75 Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync technology. It is designed with the planet in mind. So let's go and remove this part right here. So this right here is part of the stand. So this will connect to the back of the monitor as well as the bottom of the monitor stand, and then you can put your cords in the back, so that part up here at the top will connect to the monitor. So then we have the owner instructions and a little warranty card in here, so you'd want to fill that out and send it out. So if you have any issues with the monitor, you are covered by warranty. So this just gives you a little overview of the monitor, some information that you might want to know. So now let's go and remove this cardboard here up at the top. So this is the bottom part of the stand. This one here is a metal, silver metal, which is very sleek and lightweight. It is not heavy at all. So we're just going to remove it from the package. So you can see right here, the one other stand just clips right in there, and at the bottom it has a screw. So you just twist this little part right here to screw it on tightly. I will show that later in the video. So this does look and feel good. It does a great job of holding the monitor. So we're going to remove this cardboard right here at the bottom, and then you'll have the display, plus you'll have a quick setup. So here's the quick setup. This just tells you how to set up the monitor from the display to the stand. So you've got step by step, 1 to 3. So it says there's your plug. You connect 1 and 2 together. Then you can put the wires behind the stand so it doesn't stick out. You got some more information here in different languages. So you got step 2, where to connect your HDMI. Right, we're going to go ahead and put this on the side, and then we are getting to the monitor. So this monitor is super sleek and lightweight. It is super thin. I could not believe how thin this one was. I did have the 27 inch, but this one seems a lot thinner than that one. My other one had a black back, but this one actually has a white back bezel. There is no bezels at the top except for at the bottom you have a nice little silver. So you can see how thin this is. And then the little plastic thing at the very bottom, that will be sticking in to your stand. So you got HDMI port, you got a VGA, you got your power port. So right now we're going to go ahead and put these stand together. So this one here goes on the bottom. It just slips right on there, and like I said, at the screw at the bottom, you just take this, twist it to where it's completely tight, just finger tight. So this is what the stand looks like it's completed. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our wires and we're going to fit our wires in this part right here. So we're going to have to take the back part because it doesn't slide up, because they've got little hooks inside. So just slide it out, and then we'll take this part here, just stick it right in there. It should clip right in there. Be careful because it does slide out, because that one little piece right here is a little small. We're just going to slide this all up. So once we slide that up, we're going to put the top back on. So now we have the top on. Be careful because it will slide down, because this little black round thing, it will slide down there just like this. So just make sure you pull enough of wire up so it doesn't slide down. So when you put your HDMI cable, you should have enough room to put both of them in so they don't slide. So now this is super easy to put the monitor into the stand. You just connect it here, push it in, and it should be connected. So now it is flexible. You can move it up and down. So you want to grab the power cord, connect the power cord, and then you grab your HDMI cable. You can also connect your HDMI cable or VGA cable and then have it go down the stand. So this one is completely plugged in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and connect it to my computer. So this is a standard 110 plug with a ground. You do have two HDMI ports for that. So now here is my HDMI. We're going to connect the HDMI here. So you got two HDMI. You're going to go ahead and slide it into the base. Take this off. You got little clips right here. Just push it right in there. Grab on the other one. And then once you're done, just go ahead and slide that back on. Make sure that the wires are not outwards or you might break the clips that are on the stand. So just push it right in there once you've got that. So this monitor is a great monitor to have. It is very comfortable for your eyes because it has the HP Eyesafe with Eyesafe certifications. It is always on blue light filter without a yellow shift, while you help the planet with a monitor that contains 85% recycled plastics and 5% of ocean bond plastic that's a shipped and 100% recyclable packaging. You can see that it is super clean and clear. It is lightweight as well as super thin. It is a seamless line for a setup, 3-sided micro edge bezel for side-by-side screen. This does have a 178-degree viewing angle and a better black levels. The VA panels elevate your favorite content and superb contrast ratio to a color that's popped. You can see how thin and lightweight. It is a certified HPEs, so the certification allows always on blue light filter to help keep your eyes comfortable, so you don't got to worry about strain, especially when you're in the dark time. So I'm going to get a glimpse of the side. It is super thin. There is hardly any bezels here. You got this little part in the back for all your HDMI ports and your power port. So this is a really super nice monitor. It is lightweight. This is a 31.5 inch. It looks really nice. There's no pixelation at all. I'm using this with my MacBook. If you're looking for a nice monitor, I would highly recommend checking out this HP monitor.